Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use a Python program that equalizes heights of three stacks by removing elements from the tallest stack until they are all the same, or determine if that's possible. Let's dive in. This program takes in three stacks of integers as input, calculates their total heights, and tries to make all the stacks equal by removing elements from the tallest one. Now, let's look at how this works. Once the code is running, it will prompt us to enter the elements for each of the three stacks. Let's start with the first test case. Here we've entered three stacks. The program calculates their heights and tries to equalize them. As we can see, the program successfully made all stacks equal at a height of 6. Now let's move on to the next test case. In this test case, all stacks are already equal. Let's see how the program handles it. The program quickly identifies that all stacks are already equal and returns the same height. Now let's take a look at a case where it's impossible to equalize these stacks. This time, the elements in the stacks are such that it will not be possible to equalize their heights. Let's see the result. As expected, the program informed us that it's impossible to make the stacks equal. Now, let's try a case where one stack is empty. In this test case, stack 2 is empty. Let's see how the program handles this situation. The program correctly identifies that it can equalize the stacks when one of them is empty. Finally, let's try a more complex case. In this more complex case, the stacks have varied heights. Let's see how the program performs. Great! The program was able to reduce the stacks to a common height of 9 by removing elements from stack 1 and stack 3. This is the expected behavior. In this tutorial, we covered how to use the Python program to equalize stack heights. We tested 5 different cases, from equal stacks, empty stacks, to cases where it was impossible to equalize them. I hope you found this video helpful, and feel free to try it out yourself. Thanks for watching.